Hi folks, it's Reed Tobel, Rivers West Auction and Auction Time. We're in Billings, Montana. We've got a set of these trucks. They're 2016 Freightliner Cascadias. They are true sisters, one serial number apart from the other. There's two of them here in Billings and we're going to sell them on auction time. 622,000 miles on this truck. Automatic transmission. These trucks are coming out of a company that's rotating out some of the older trucks. They pull FedEx freight, and really just some good trucks. Lots of life left, cosmetically in good shape. Interior's nice. They're all cleaned up. Tires are good. Brakes are pretty much excellent. They're welcome to preview before the auction. Hear it running in the background. We've got an adjustable fifth wheel, exhaust underneath like a weed burner style, dual fuel tanks, Michelin tires, low pro 22.5s, airbag suspension, kennel hitch on the back. Brakes just have a lot of meat on them still. All the E-logs and cameras have been taken off of these units, so they are going to be ready to roll. Be sure to watch the video of the engine running. We'll do another video of the interior. Like I said, guys, you want to come and look at these trucks, you're welcome to do so. There is one crack in the windshield on the passenger side I'm going to show you. I just saw. You'll see that in the interior video. 2016 Freightliner Cascadia. 622,000 miles, automatic transmission. We're going to sell this unit on auction time. Thank you for viewing this Rivers West auction listing.